Hey guys, modelrockets321 here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at my finished Constellation. Have that rocket right here. It's all done. Completed the build a couple days ago. It's a K-35. It's Estes kit, a reissue, limited edition by Estes. It says from the Estes Vault. I covered this rocket before when I first got it, saying how I found it on a website, and there was one left, and I bought the last one. So they're out of production. You won't find them on the website unless they bring some more out. Intermediate build. I mean, for me, this is a pretty straightforward, easy build. The only thing that's really challenging, I guess, maybe some of the masking. For somebody, maybe it's easy. I mean, masking off a red nose cone, then you're masking off this clear tube to get those black sections painted, and you are masking off this one fin. I think the intermediate steps come in at gluing these pods, because this is all balsa. So even balsa nose cone and balsa block right there. Everything was pretty straightforward, like I said. Flies on C engines, or A, B, and C engines, actually. What they got listed here. Yeah, they got, actually they brought that back. The half A6-2, A83, and a B64. Or C67 for that high flight, the 1,200 feet flight. If you have it like a pretty calm day, you can get up there. They gave you this vintage Estes logo decal. Pretty nice rocket. I like it. Came out, you know, paint went on well. Everything was good. I did a clip of this, of the finishing on my Instagram. It's doing pretty good. A lot of people like seeing work getting done on these rockets. So yeah, that's what I did there. Decals. You had two for each side, 1, 2, and 3 fin numbers. USA there, and I wasn't sure if one went on this side, so I just stuck the other one above this fin, one directly above that fin, and one above that fin. So yeah, then these decals here, I'd seen these before. I think this is on an older, I forget. It seemed like something that was on one of the Alpha rockets, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, use that, and it lined up, kind of doubling right here. Not too bad. It probably was supposed to be lined along this launch lug. It's a longer launch lug with a little standoff deal. So it's cool. Didn't really need a standoff, but they gave you one, so I went on and used it. So yeah, very, very nice rocket, nice design, payload. One thing I was thinking about doing was putting a floor in here, or a floor on I guess it would be a ceiling on this side of this tube, just something black material, something, and just get it nice and smooth. Even on that balsa, on the block, on the base of the payload section right there, giving it a little black, because I think it would look nice, because you can see inside there. It shows that the balsa, you can see. I mean, it's not horrible. It's not necessary, but I was just thinking about it. It'll give it a nice look, like a black floor there. Even a red floor. Red floor and red ceiling would be nice. Give it a little bit more red, because they don't have a whole lot of red. They got the red cone and then the red lettering and decals. Even one red fin would have been nice. Or even a red fin instead of a black fin. There's a lot of ways you could have done this, but I was just following the card on this one, which I normally do stick to the card. Sometimes I will deviate a little bit. I know with the So Long, I went with my own paint scheme. I just went for brighter colors with that. I think I went with the bright orange fluorescent on that deal. So, but yeah, other than that, it's cool. Nice rocket, came out really, really well. And I'm going to be flying this, so stick around, subscribe to the channel if you're new. I will be flying this rocket right here. I was considering the C67 on the first one. We'll see, depending on how much wind I got that day, or just go straight with the B64 or something like that. But I'm thinking with C67. Put it way up there, have the altimeter running, see if we'll hit that 1200. I'm thinking it's going to be under, I don't know. It seems like it's going to be, I don't know, because they seem to, weathercock. So that takes away some of your altitude. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, be sure to drop a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Estes discount code is always available. Go to estesrockets.com. Fill up your cart with everything you want, because it's a one-time use. Put in discount code IN_321. You should see it right there on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Also, check in the description. It's in there too if you forget. And yes, we're going to do. So 3, 2, 1 here, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we will catch you on another video. And I'm out. Build rockets.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.